What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into today's trade recap. Finished up nicely. Let me bring down my P&L. Made $565, man. That's pretty nice. But still upset, man. Easily could have been like a $2,000 day, based off the share size I was using. But I'll take it, man. 567. I could have traded this better. And I missed a couple good trades too, man. But let's get into it, man. Only stock I traded it long and short. The borrows were cheap, and I seen it pre-market like ripping up. So I was interested long because it was strong, and I was watching it right here around like 825, 830. It was just going up. So it made this push, and I said once it pulled back, I'm gonna get in, go long, and try to nail the move, man. So it pulled back. Ended up getting in at 515. Perfect. Got right in at the bottom. Perfect trade. And I exited right at the top at 545. Like, awesome trade, right there. Pulled all the way back down to my lines right here. Y'all can't see it because it's on my other chart on Thinkorswim. This is not my primary chart. I use this chart to show y'all my entries and exits, but Thinkorswim is my chart. So it pulled down to my lines, man. I wanted to go long, but I didn't know what it was gonna do though. Really, I had a feeling it was gonna push back up, but I didn't have I just wanted to play it safe, man. It's still pre-market. I don't have to rush it. I'm up good. So I said, let me just ride it out and just see what it does. So I ended up grinding all the way back up, man. So I missed out on this whole move right here. Start consolidating. And once I seen this consolidation, I said, man, this thing could probably move up more. So I ended up going long again at 570. Ended up popping up and coming back down. Ended up getting back out for a break-even trade. Got out at 570. I said, oh shit, like this may go down. So I ended up flipping short. Got in at 559. It came down a little bit. Came back up, held up. I said, oh, let me get back out because this thing probably gonna come back up. So I end up getting back out and breaking even again. I'm just trying to read the stock, see where it's gonna go. So it ended up popping up, and it ended up looking weak. So I ended up flipping short again, shorted it again. Ended up taking a small a small loss right there because I thought it was gonna pop up, and it came back down, and then I covered the rest for a gain down here at the bottom. I said, let me wait for the open, man. That's what I did. So the open came, I stayed patient with it. Popping big, coming back down. I ended up going short. I should have went short up here. I kind of didn't like this trade, and then I added down here, which I think was boneheaded, man. I should just kept my starter right here at $6 and just held through that, because if I'm adding down here, my average is gonna go down, and I knew it probably gonna pop back up, man. So that was stupid what I did right there. It was just looking real weak, and I didn't want to miss out. So I tried to size in a little bit, man, but I shouldn't have did that. I should just cover right here and just been patient with it. So I ended up getting out, taking a gain right here at 574 because I seen it start popping up. I said, fuck that, I'm out. So it popped up. I ended up going short again, and then it ended up surging up, and I got out just in time before it got halted. So at this point, I'm up like what, $200, $300, I think. So I ended up resuming, surging up. It got halted right here, but okay, it surged up, it went up, right? I said, watch, it's gonna be a fake out breakout. Man, I missed the entry, y'all. Like, I wanted to get in at 650 right here, short, right? Man, that would have been a nice trade. Cause I would have held this thing. It wasn't no reason to get out because it faded all the way down. Like, I would have had a nice entry I would have stayed in it and I would have banked big. That's why I say I should have finished up like $2,000. So I had like 500 shares right here. I missed it. So when it came down, it got halted. I ended up going short because the selling pressure was big. It popped. I shorted again, get my average up, and then end up tanking. I end up covering, making profit right there at 586. And then it came down here, and then I was just trying to scalp and, you know, pad my wallet a little bit more. But basically just break it even, and it popped right here. I went short at 515 and it went down, and I ended up getting out, making my last gain on it, man. Got me finishing up 565 bucks. I said I'm done with it, you know. Went to the gym and that was about it, man. I came back, man. This thing all the way down in the fours. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if I would have got in at 650, I would have waited for this crash, and then when this bounce came, I would have shorted more. I wouldn't have went heavy right here, and then I would have held all the way. I would have held all day. There's no reason to get out, and I would have did. I have 1,400 shares that I reserved. So just think about it. You know, let's just say my average is 630, and I was gonna hold this stop, man. So say, cause I don't look to get out. I probably would have covered in the fours, low fours, you know, because I don't want to hold it overnight, even though it may crash more. But being realistic, this is realistic. I probably got out in the low fours with a 630 average, and that's what, let's just say 415. So that's $2.15 that I could have made a share, right? So 1,400 times 215. Nah, that's $3,000, man. So, you know, yeah, I could have had a $3,000 day today. But like I said, I'm not mad. You know, 565 is great, man. $500 a day, shit, man. That money add up, but man, I should have had better execution. You can't get every execution right all the time, but I feel like I could have got that, man. I was a little slow when it was crashing. I could have got filled. Being realistic, yeah, I could have made $3,000 today, but I'll take it, man. And the website will be up sometime this week, and we're gonna get back to normal, man. You know, so all y'all guys that want to know how to trade stocks, man, and make money with me, I do have a chat room. I do be live on mic. You can hear me talk when we go over these stocks. You know, you can hear me trade. You can you can listen to my thought process and everything. So, you know, if you interested in trading or whatever, join the family, man. So that's it for this trade recap, and let's get it tomorrow. Peace.